What's up, everybody? I'm Cam from The Muscles. I'm going to be doing wrist and hand bony palpations. So here we go. First, we are going to see our radius here and our ulna here. So we have a head of our ulna here, the head of our radius here, and if we come down, we can find the styloid process of the ulna here and the styloid process of our radius here. There it is. Okay, next, we can show you yours. We have our anatomical snuff box here. That is just this little kind of break that you can see in the hands. I have mine here as well. Then we have our scaphoid, which is here. Then we have our carpal tunnel, which is here, does like wrist extension and stuff. So like a lot of people when they're typing on computers and stuff their whole lives, they get like carpal tunnel syndrome and stuff, very painful. Then we have our carpal tunnel bones, which are here, these bones here. And then we have our metatarsal bones, which are the bones coming up. You can see that up her hand here. And then we have our phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back at you guys. Now I'm going to do the muscles. I'm going to palpate them on myself. So the first muscle we have is our extensor carpi radialis longus. So that's going to start here and come down into our thumb here. Then we have our extensor carpi radialis brevis, which is going to come here. And then we have our extensor digitorum, which is going to come here, and it's going to extend into our all of our hands kind of. And then we have our extensor carpi ulnaris, which is come here, and it's gonna come across our ulna and insert our pinky here, hence why you call it the ulnaris. These all do wrist extension, except for the digitorum, which does finger extension as well. Next, we're gonna have our flexor carpi radialis, which is gonna start here and come across, crossing our radius into our thumb. Then we have our palmaris longus, which is gonna come from here into the middle and extending into our fingers and stuff. And then we have our flexor carpi ulnaris, which is going to start here and stay on the medial side into our pinky. These all do wrist flexion and help with flexion of the wrist.